Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a flyer on Canva. Alright, so let's begin. Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a sale, or sharing important information, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a professional looking flyer completely for free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. You can use Canva on your computer, tablet, or even your phone. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up for free and get started right away. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design button in the top left corner and click on it. A menu will appear with different design options. In the search bar, type Flyer and select it from the suggestions. This will open a canvas that's already sized perfectly for a flyer, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Next, you'll see a wide range of flyer templates. Canva has designs for almost every purpose, from parties to business promotions. Scroll through and choose a template that fits your style or message. Don't worry too much about perfection. You can fully customize everything later. Now comes the fun part. Editing your flyer. Click on any text to change it to your own details like event name, date, or description. You can adjust the font, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. You can also replace images, change backgrounds, and move elements around to match your vision. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and styles. Canva makes it easy to undo changes, so you can try things without worrying about mistakes. Before finishing, take a moment to review everything. Double check your text for spelling errors, dates, and important details to make sure everything is correct. When you're happy with your design, click the share button in the top right corner and select download. Choose your file type. PDF is great for printing, while PNG or JPG works well for sharing online. And that's it. This is how you can make a flyer on Canva. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.